I was streaming for half an hour and it just cut off. I tried to stream again, but it just said failed to connect to server. I tried various things. My time is gone. Yeah, like that, 45 minutes gone. I tried to do, bro. Shit, but I guess today is not the day. I tried to complete it, but today is not the day. Okay, let's start. I don't think we can complete another one today. Let's get started. Panda's introduction. Oh, yeah. We will do. If there's something we can do it here, right? Let's do it IP by NV file. Let's do it in a IP by NV file. Okay. In okay. Pandas. Pandas is an open source Python library used for data manipulation, analysis, and cleaning. It provides fast and flexible tools to work with tabular data, similar to spreadsheets or SQL tables. Pandas is used in data science, machine learning, finance, analytics, and automation because it integrates smoothly with other libraries such as NumPy, numerical operations, Matplotlib and Seaborn, data visualization, SciPy, statistical analysis, Scikit-learn, machine learning workflows. With pandas, you can load data, clean it, transform it, analyze it, visualize it, all in just a few lines of code. Clean, transform, analyze, visualize. Pandas basic operations. Pandas simplifies data handling by enabling efficient pre-processing, cleaning, transformation, and visualization. Data pre-processing handle missing values. Data cleaning remove duplicates and fix inconsistencies. Data transformation filters, sort, modify data. Data visualization represent data graphically. Okay. Installation. Before using pandas, make sure it is installed. Pip install pandas. Let's check here. Okay, if it's actually, yeah, it's should be installed in this environment. Look, it's already satisfied. Everything is satisfied. So there is no need. Uh, is using. Okay. After the pandas have been installed in the system, we need to import the library. This module is imported using import pandas as PD. PD is just an alias for pandas. It's not required, but using it makes the code shorter when calling methods or properties. So data structures in pandas. Pandas provides two data structures for manipulating data, which are as follows. Pandas series. Pandas series is one-dimensional labeled array capable of holding data of any type: integer, string, float, Python objects, etc. The access label are collectively called indexes. Series is created by loading the datasets from which can be a SQL database or CSV file or an Excel file. Import pandas as PD, import numpy as NP, and as is equals to PD dot series will create a series in S data. Data is equals to np dot array, and the geeks is given as an array. PD dot series data in S, which will create a series using data array. Okay, then pandas data frame. A pandas data frame is a two-dimensional data structure with labeled axes, rows, and columns. It is created by loading the dataset from existing storage, which can be a SQL database or CSV file or an Excel file. It can be created from lists, dictionaries, a list of dictionaries, etc. Import pandas as PD. PD.data frame is equals to df, and this list will be data frame 00. Okay, two dimensional. This is one dimensional. Operations in Panda. Pandas provides essential operations for working with structured data efficiently. The sections below introduce the most commonly used functionalities with short explanations and simple examples. Loading data. This operation reads data from files such as CSV, Excel, or JSON into a data frame. Hmm. I downloaded that, right? I have downloaded. Mm, CSV. Yeah, customer purchase data. Let us bring that up. Delete it right there. Okay, bring this here. This is CSV file. Okay, let's just make set that, and let's do it like this. Right. So sleepy, man. Who is watching this stream? Hello, hello. You can chat, right? If you are not a bot, chat hi. If you are bot, then go away. Let's do yeah, loading the data. This operation reads the data from files such as CSV, Excel, or JSON into a data frame. So import pandas as PD, and df is equals to pd dot read CSV, and we have to give the path. Okay, so what's the path here? It's data sets or data set string data. What was that? Customer. Oh, we can just do it like this also. We can copy path and paste it. It should be literally from here, right? But it's not from. Oh, sorry. I had to just copy relative path. Okay, sorry for that. Mistake. Yeah, this is the relative path. I did the overwork, and what this will do is uh, pd read csv. It will read the csv file from here. The pandas will read and it will create a data frame. Okay, it should create a data frame and print dot print of no print df dot head. What this will do is this will give 5 rows of the CSV file. If it consists there, what happened? No such file or directory. Excuse me. Should be there. No. Let's run again. Should be. Yep, done. What happened was we were at the data exploration folder, right? So this file is under data exploration and it was searching for dataset file in this folder, but there's no dataset. So I just had to go back one step and we came to this file, this folder. Okay, and dataset, it searches for dataset. Here it is and it gets the customer. So what our output is? Our output is age, gender, annual income, purchases, product category, time spent on website, loyalty program, discount available, and purchase status. Okay, so these are the head that we got. Anything else? Okay, PD reads the CSV file and loads it into a data frame, and df.head shows the first 5 rows of the data. Okay, first 5 rows, right? And viewing and exploring data. After loading data, it is important to understand its structure and content. This method allows you to inspect rows, summary, statistics, and metadata info. So what we can do here is print df.info. So what this df.info method will do is it will give all the columns that are there in the CSV file in that data frame, df data frame, and it will give the null count. Okay, and also the data type, what type of data is present in that column. Okay, so there are two types of datas, float 64 and int 64. Okay, there are two float 64 and 7 int 64. Memory uses 105.6 KB and there's no null. null values. Okay, 1500 uh, data are there in a single column, 1500 rows. So entries ranges from 0 to 1499. And okay, handling missing data. Datasets often contain empty or missing values. Pandas provides function to detect, remove, or replace these values. So if there is any, if there is null dot sum will give the sum of null. Is null is a method that searches for null, and if there is df is equals to df dot fill any 0, it will fill 0 for null data. Okay, replaces missing values with 0. Selecting and filtering data. This operation retrieves specific columns, rows, or records that match a condition. It allows precise extraction of required information. So, selecting and filtering. Okay, let's select is gender. Let's do product category or mm, time spent on a website. Okay, we'll do time spent on a website. What it is you can print time sp and t spent is df. Okay, how which type of data is time spent? So time spent is float. And what type of data are there? There are float times. Okay, let's do 100. If there's 100 time spent greater than 100, then that will be printed. Okay, so time spent on, if the column name and this is not same, then it will throw an error. Greater than 100, then print time spent. Okay, so it printed the time spent empty data frame, so there is no time spent greater than 100. Let's do 50. Okay, there are a lot of them. Why did it print for 2 times? The program discount available. I don't want to see that. Oh, is there no closing bracket? There is. Okay, it returns the rows value when the time spent on website is greater than 50. Okay, so there are 250 time spent on website greater than 50. Let's do 80. Is there any? No. Let's do 70. Is there any? No. 60. Should be, bro. Oh, it's 55 then. Yeah, there are 117 rows. Let's do 57. 67 and 58. Okay. Okay. 59. There are no 60, so it should be 59. Okay, okay. There is no 60 though. Though there is no 60. Okay. Yeah. Adding and removing columns. You can create new columns based on existing ones or delete unwanted columns from the data frame. We can do that with this tf uh, rate. What will I make of material in that customer purchase? So it should be recurring customer. So recurring customer must be those who discount available. Purchase status is more than purchase status is what can I do? df dum 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 dum. Yeah, there is error. I know that. Oh, sorry about that. It will give multiple columns. So I forgot. What can we do instead of the empty? I want to sleep, man. Hmm, purchase status is greater than 3. Yeah, I can do that. And for that to be only true, okay. Explanation. Customer. I wrote customer. See, just you. Oh no, there's two columns now. Sheet. Just you. How was it? How could I delete a column? How can I delete a column? pd.del. No. pd.remove. No, no. What was it? Drop. Oh, yep. What happened? Why did it didn't drop? Oh, I could use index to write columns, column name. Oh, sorry. Oh, Mr. Columns. Yep. Where is customer? So deleted, dropped. Uh, df. I created df, right? It's df recurring. Why did it not delete that now? Drop del df column. Yes, finally it should work. Yes, it worked. It was del. Mm, Okay, false. This is not very true. This is not true. Damn. Could do some, but let's do it. Uh, could do mean also. Let's look at it's all false. purchase status is if it's right or wrong. Hmm. Yeah, done. Okay, done. Let's look at some also. Yup. Got it. Category column. Dev. So many files. Okay, we can do that, but we need for now. I'm so sleepy. I'll sleep today. Today is my off day, I guess. Okay, let's do this tomorrow. I'm not feeling well as well, and the stream didn't work for half an hour. Uh, I'll take a break today. Okay, this was is good, but I'll sleep now. Thank you. We'll continue from here tomorrow. Okay? I'll finish the things I have to do here also, and I'll sleep for now. Thank you.